Virgo. This is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 21st of June till the 27th of June. Let's get started. Virgo. Okay, you've got the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Cups. Also, at the bottom of the deck, you have the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. With the Six of Pentacles and the Six of Cups, Virgo, I feel somebody is coming back into your life. Not kidding, see? Now, this person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn. Somebody who you had this beautiful bond with. This person knows how to deal with her or their emotions. It's not a gender specific reading, so you can just take it however it resonates with you guys. And what I'm seeing here is, Virgo, you can't let go of this person, and neither can they. If there's been a possibility that you have let go of this person, it's you who's bringing them back into your life. This person is now financially, mentally, emotionally on their own. They're independent. They are working on their future. They are also working on a beautiful relationship in their life. If you want to bring them into your life, you need to do something really phenomenal. And Virgo, if the energies are reversed, if this is you who is financially, emotionally, and mentally all there, doing your own thing, there is somebody who wants to bring you back into their life. Got the Magician. You are manifesting a beautiful thing in your life. Now this manifestation could be regarding love, could be regarding closure from somebody. It could also be regarding bringing in new love. So when I said love earlier, it was past love. Also, you are manifesting something really beautiful for yourself. You could be starting a new business venture, a new social media page. I don't know why I got that, Virgo, but yes, that. For some of you, it could be marriage, a new relationship. Some of you are going through a complete makeover. Mental, physical, financial, spiritual makeover. It's going to help you guys. Be aware of things that hold you back. Especially the things that are painful in nature, but you can't let go of those things, they can't let go of you. Things, people, places, anything that is holding you back and has a negative nature attached to it. There's been a beautiful yet a painful ending for you. I said beautiful because for me, endings always lead to something new, a new beginning, but sometimes they're really painful, Virgo. It's not your fault. This ending could have come after a very painful period of ups and downs with somebody. Sometimes you're sitting on a fence, you don't know which way to jump, what to do. You feel so helpless in situations that you just get it over with. Just rip the band-aid off and just let's go. And Virgo, I think that's what you've been through in the recent past, and you're manifesting a beautiful future, but that past may just hold on to your feet for a little while. You need to decide whether you want to kick it off or you want to drag it with you. Yep. Virgo. You've got the Four of Cups. Deep regret, deep soul searching, deep guilt for something that happened in the recent past. Six of Pentacles again. Someone from your past is really wanting to come back to you, Virgo. You want to go back to somebody from your past, and there is somebody from your future also who needs to get your attention, who's trying to get you to talk to them. And I feel instead of looking at things that did not work out for you guys, concentrate on things that could work out for you guys. Let's see some extra messages for you, Virgo. no. Learn to say no. If you had a question that could be answered in a yes or a no, the answer is no. There could be compromises that need to be done, that need to be made from either your side or somebody who is close to you. All depends on what mindset you had when you tuned into this reading. The tarot doesn't tell you what you should do. The tarot tells you what will happen if you keep continuing doing something. Continue to do something, guys. Let's see some extra messages. What do you need to release? Balance spirituality and practicality. Meditate and contemplate. Lots of spiritual cards and a lot of Pisces energy. Luck is on your side. But in order to bring that luck into your life, you need to also clear out all the blockages and kick away the past. Don't drag it with you. Past is added baggage. You don't want to be paying for something that you're not going to use, right? Keep the baggage where it's supposed to be, in the dustbin. I choose love no matter what. I do whatever it takes to get closer to consciousness. To get closer to consciousness, you need to ground yourself. To ground yourself, you need to meditate and contemplate and be alone for some time. Be the hermit that you are, Virgo. And if you've already done that, you're on the right track, guys. Work on yourself, do the shadow work so that you can attract the life of your dreams. If this reading resonated with you guys, please like, share, subscribe. It really means the world to me. If you've already subscribed to my channel, thank you. Bye, guys.